Let me take you into a smart home in Oluyole, Ibadan that is shocking people all over the world. From the outside, it looks like a clean modern duplex, but once you step in, the technology hits you immediately. The lighting, fully automated. The doors, smart secured. The ambience, one tap. This is not just a house, it is a lifestyle upgrade. Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to the channel. How are you all doing? I hope you're well. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch this video. I really appreciate it. Today, I'm gonna show you one of the most beautiful luxury smart home in Ibadan, Nigeria. This smart home is located at the almighty Oluyole Estate, which is one of the most secured, beautiful estates in Ibadan. You are highly welcome. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't. Leave your thoughts in the comment section, and at the end of this video, I'm gonna tell you how much this smart home, this luxury smart home costs at the end of the video. So this is the entrance. Let's go in. Welcome to the beautiful smart home in Ibadan. This is the waiting room area. This is so beautiful. If you look at the painting, it's top notch, it's not ordinary. And if you look at the tiles, this is beautiful. This is giving US standard. Anyway, let me take you guys to the first room by the left hand side, which is the guest room. Welcome to the guest room, which is the first room the moment you enter into this smart home. This is beautiful, as you all can see, well lighted up. Over here we have the wardrobe, which is clean, which is looking so good as well, and this is big enough. And by the left hand side here we have guest toilet. Come and see. Take a look at this. This is beautiful, and as you all can see, everything right here is working perfectly. Take a look at this. This is looking so good and is working perfectly. Take a look at the cubicle. This is where the guests will always shower, and as you guys can see, this comes with everything that is needed. This is the sprinkler head, this is the top spray, and everything right here is working perfectly. Take a look at this white ceramic countertop basin. This is beautiful, and look at the quality, top notch. And over here we have the cabinets. Take a look at this. This is looking good, right? You've not seen anything. Let's move to the next part of the smart home, which is the living room. Welcome to one of the most beautiful parts of this smart home. Here is the living room. The living room is designed with premium finishing. The kitchen has imported fittings, and every room feels like a modern luxury suite, but with smart features integrated into the entire building. For anyone in diaspora, investors looking for high-value properties, or people who just love luxury tech living, this smart duplex in Oluyole will blow your mind. And yes, it's officially up for sale. If you ever imagined owning a tech-powered luxury home in the heart of Africa, keep watching. This might be the one. Alexa, off the spotlights.
Okay.
Alexa, On the spotlights.
Okay.
Thank you. You guys can see that this is beautiful and this is a proper smart home. The Alexa for this home is working perfectly and it works for every part of the house. So let's move to the next part of this smart home, which is the luxurious kitchen. Come with me. Welcome to the kitchen area, and over here we have the heat extractor that is working perfectly. We have the top burner over here, and it's not just one, we have two of these. Take a look at this as well, and take a look at the brand that is being used. This is Polystar, which is one of the top brands. Also, there are a lot of cabinets over here. Take a look at this. Enough space. Enough space. So many cabinets, big ones. Over here we have a dustbin. Take a look at this. This is beautiful and it's screaming luxury, right? Look at the beautiful zinc. This is beautiful, right? And there are a lot of sockets in this kitchen. Like, take a look. These are not just ordinary sockets, these are good sockets that's screaming luxury, right? And over here, take a look at these cabinets. This is heavy, like the glasses are so heavy. Everything right here is working perfectly. This alone can serve as your pantry, right? And guess what? There is a pantry in this smart home. Come with me. This is the pantry. So this is the bar area. You can see that everything that is being used in this smart home is quality, top notch. Profile lights. Thank you. You guys can see how beautiful this smart home is. Take a look at this beautiful chandelier. Looking gorgeous. This is home for kings and queens. This is a 4-bedroom smart home. Welcome to the first and the master bedroom of this smart home. Oh, it's locked. I'm kidding. Come with me. Can you guys see how beautiful this is? Like, when you don't even want anyone to know that you are in there, they will think this is short. Isn't that smartness? That's what we're talking about, luxury smart home. Take a look at this beautiful mirror. This is big and this is massive, right? And look at the walk-in closet. Take a look at, isn't this beautiful? Wow. Can I hear you say luxury, top notch? Luxury, top notch. Okay, so this master bedroom comes with Alexa. It's not just the living room alone. Every room's in this smart home. You know what? Let's play a music. You go pray or you don't go pray. You go pray or you don't go pray. This is screaming luxury. Like I said earlier, this is luxury, right? And over here we have jacuzzi where you can just chill after a long day at work out there. Take a look at this. This is beautiful. Just in case you don't want to talk to Alexa, you can always on and off the lights all by yourself. You can see it, right?
Sure how to help you with that.
It's okay, Alexa. I don't need you at this point. Moving on, take a look at this master bedroom. Looking so big, very big, right? And it comes with a lot of sockets here and there, and also the windows are not just those regular small windows. Take a look at this, and take a look at this beautiful glass over here, where you can see what is happening in your neighborhood, but they will never see what is happening in your room. This is the electric curtain rail, and this is beautiful. Guess what? It's not for decoration, it's working perfectly. Alexa, open the master bedroom curtain.
Okay.
Guys, can you see that? Isn't that beautiful? So all you need to do is just pay and parking. Alexa, close the master bedroom curtain.
Okay.
No problem. Moving on, let's go to the balcony. Let me show you how the balcony looks like. And guess what? This balcony is so beautiful. Ah! Clock it, follow me. And over here, there is balcony for the master bedroom. Not just the master bedroom, but every other rooms in this house. Take a look at this balcony. This is looking so good. This is beautiful, right? And right here, there is panel. Take a look. This area, normally the light is so good, it's 24/7, but just in case you have something to always rely on. Ladies and gentlemen, we are not done yet. Let's move to the next room. Okay. Take a look. Welcome to the third room in this smart home. The third room in this smart home. Over here we have the wardrobe, and take a look at this. This is big enough. Am I tall enough to open this? I tried. Take a look. This is big, right? There's no amount of clothes that you have that will not be sufficient. This wardrobe will not be sufficient for you. And take a look at that down part where you can keep your shoes and everything. This room is big enough, and there is big windows, not just one. Take a look at the window. We have 1, we have 2, 3, and we have 4 windows, and there is enough socket in this room as well, and everything is working as well, right? The room is well lit up, and there is space for AC. Once you pay, you just fix your AC. Let me show you the restroom. Take a look at this restroom. This is the cubicle. The water heater is there. Also, take a look at the toilet seat. This is looking pretty, right? Take a look at the washing hand basin, working perfectly. Also, this restroom comes with cabinets where you can keep your items, where you can keep stuffs like that. And look at the tiles. Look at the interior of this bedroom. Isn't this beautiful? I know, right? I know you are saying it's beautiful. Take a look at the door. All the doors in this smart home are imported. They are not ordinary doors. Moving on, let's go to the last but not the least room in this smart home. This is the last room. This room is big as well, very big. Here we have the wardrobe. This is the wardrobe. Take a look at this. This is beautiful and big as well. Let me open the upper part. Oh, I can tell you categorically that I'm not short, right? And this room is well lit as well. There is space for AC. Just pay and fix your AC. Over here we have the guest restroom. Take a look at this. This room as well comes with a balcony. I told you earlier that all the rooms in this smart home comes with balcony. Come and see the beautiful look from this balcony. Like, look at your neighbor. Take a look. So beautiful people, we've come to the end of this video. How much does this smart home cost? This smart home costs 400 million naira only, approximately in dollars $276,000 only. The compound is big enough. Everything about this smart home is top notch. I'll put the link in my description area. If you want to inspect this house, you are ready to get it, just check my description area, and I will see you all in my next tour. Until then.